Hey guys, look, it's a new update. Oh yeah, for jamaalidays. Now let's turn this down. Aren't you guys so excited because I just logged on? So it's A.Q.A here, and look, it's an update video here again. So log into Animal Jam. So this is the first one. Log into Animal Jam every day. Done with, okay, whatever. So daily jamaaliday gifts, yeah. So, oh yeah, I know this one. This one's the best. Help find. I love that. So this, if you guys played Animal Jam last year, then you know what this is. And help find all. So there's this. Yeah, whatever. But this is like math. This is like school because we have to read all day. Listen, I don't even go to school because I'm homeschooled. Oh yeah, I'm homeschooled. At A.Q.A, we love all the jammers in Jamal to show how much we love our you. We have at every special gift. Whatever. I love Animal Jam. Play wild. The jamaaliday gift bag is okay. Whatever. Yay, those reindeers. Our first one, guys. We got a diamond. Oh, yeah. Guys, we literally got a diamond. We got 4 diamonds. Let's go decorate this house for it. Oh, yeah. Guys, I'm so excited that this is just a random update video, but oh my goodness, guys. Look. Yes. Yeah. That's the only new stuff. Literally, come on. Come on, AJ. Put some more stuff. But, oh, yeah. I'm so excited. I got a diamond. We need diamonds. So, literally, dude. So, I'm so excited. Oh, yeah, they changed that, too. Oh. Didn't we, like, need 4 diamonds for... I needed 4... Oh, my goodness, guys. I think tomorrow I get the pig. I know it. Tomorrow I'm gonna get the pig. Okay, I have to delete an animal. Tomorrow, for sure tomorrow I'm getting the pig. Because I'm pretty sure wait. So, literally, tomorrow I'm totally getting a pig because I thought like... I'm waiting for you. Yay! They have these things out. Oh, but these things are still here. There's no like things we can get. That's not fair. But literally, I'm so excited. Let's put on that awesome chicken hat.
Maybe she knows the van already.
You too. So, yeah, I'm so excited. This person's all decked out, I guess. But literally, guys, aren't you excited? Because look how they changed this in our last Animal Jam videos. Oh my goodness, there's a snowman. Oh no, she turned into ice. She's gonna melt. I didn't even click on that. There's that train I got last year on my other account that I don't even really go on. Very rare for me to go on the other account. You know what, guys? I'm actually gonna go on the other account. So we just logged on to our other account. And guys, when I logged on to Spike Top Hat, this is what you look. Okay, we all know this stuff. Yeah, okay. Let's get on to... Oh, like, you get a diamond, like, almost every single day. I got a diamond. Oh, cool, oh, cool, oh, cool. We got 5 diamonds. Let's go get a pig. We can get a pig on this account now. I'm so excited because I didn't get a pig yet. We have enough for a pig. Wait a sec. think we need to clear out some AJ stuff. Some AJ space. Let's clear out my wolf. Because I really love my penguin. Pango, pango. So, I'm gonna light you. And let's go get a pig. No. Perfect? No. Monster, I like the monster. Monster dash turtle. Monster dash turtle. We got a pig.